Why is the thumbnail always like that? Alright guys, I think I should be live. I'm trying to hear myself real quick. It's like really of a test. I'm trying to hear myself real quick. Alright, yeah, no, I think let me do this real quick. Hold on, guys. Let's go off that now. Alright. This is what I'm looking at right now. Currently we have some time into news. So currently guys we have news at 9:45, so that's kind of what I'm waiting for right now. This is going to be a pre-market analysis. So on the weekly chart, we had news for euro, and basically euro pretty much just dropped today, and that was kind of the news for it. Let's go look. So it had at 3:15 a.m. PMI, and then German PMI, French PMI, and then GPB had 440 PMI, and then now we have 945 PMI. So we're just gonna wait for that for the USD PMI to come out. So everything else already came out, and pretty much the market is looking really bearish. Let me watch my stream though. I need to watch my stream. All right, so basically for this stream, I'm going to let me add a text. I'm only gonna stream for AM session, and then I'm gonna go off for lunch. I'm gonna take a break off lunch, and then after that we're going to pretty much after that I'm going to whatchamacallit, how do you say this? I'm going to let me fix this real quick. I'm trying to add more widgets. This is right on it, like right there. Oh wait, now I'm tripping. Gold short, agree. 15-minute as well, 5-minute. So for gold, a short right now. See, dollar is bullish, and to me that indicates, we might have some sort of retracement. I do want to wait for the news. I don't want to completely, say short gold, because gold is a little bit of consolidating, and we are in a bullish environment for gold too, same as dollar. So it's kind of a risk on scenario. I wouldn't really, try to force a gold short, because look, it's trending up, man, and dollar's trending up, and gold is gold against dollar, so that means it's a risk on scenario. I would like it for it to be a downtrend like euro. See, it's against the dollar, and I think gold should be moving down instead of up. But that's kind of why I won't trade gold right now. I wouldn't really trade it. Yeah, everything is respecting. Look at that. We had a gap down for our GU. That's kind of why though. I wouldn't really take a short on gold right now, man, if I'm being completely honest. But it does look like it's ranging. It's ranging back and forth. I would wait for the news to come out at 9:45. That's something I was just talking about. Of course, there are levels, and it did break structure to the downside on the 1 minute. As of right now, it hasn't had any clear indications. Yeah, you have a point. You gotta wait. Yeah, man. It doesn't look like it wants to drop right now. Even though we have been trending up, so it might. You just gotta wait. See how that news reacts. You don't want to play news. I've been through that. Damage. Look at this. It's been ranging ever since the other news came out for euro and all that. Euro and all that. Look at that. They dropped. And gold should have dropped too, but it's basically rallying up. So that's a risk on scenario. And it looks like it's gonna respect this order block right here. The 5-minute time frame looks like it wants to rally up even higher. So I wouldn't really take a short right now. I would have to wait for more confirmation for it to go short. That's kind of what I'm waiting for, though. Dude, I said I'm gonna stream until I'm funded. That's kind of why I'm doing these streams. And I'm doing the streams, yeah, because I want to stream until I'm funded. And then until I'm funded, I'll probably stop streaming. But until then, you know, we're gonna continue streaming. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Why is my chat box thing not working? It's not showing my chat. Yo. Can you hear me? How are you? I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good this morning. Woke up a little bit later because there was news. There's news right now, so I'm just waiting. I'm watching my stream now. Took off the delay. It's only at 7:20, right? See, I went to Streamlabs and I basically my phone's gotta die. Let me charge it. So I basically went to Streamlabs and I was like, all right, let me try Streamlabs instead of OBS. And if the stream doesn't work well, then of course I'll just go to OBS. Or like if the quality isn't good, then because last stream there was what was it? It was 1080 60. This one is just 720. Yeah, no, yeah. How do you get rid of? You can't get rid of it, bro. You have to replace it with something else. It just depends on what you're trying to do, though, to get rid of that, the procrastination, whatever. That's all that really you can do, you know. You really have to have more purpose, man. It's rallying up. It's rallying all the way up. SPX, it's consolidating right now inside of the inverse on the 4-hour. Took out this one already. Do I want to have this one on? I'll keep it on, you know, just for more confluence. Let's go to the daily though. That daily time frame, we are hitting that. We did hit that SIBI yesterday. That's kind of what my draw was yesterday. To be honest, bro, you need to get your mic changed. It's really low. Bro, I was just listening to my stream. I could hear myself. I don't know. It sounds good. Yesterday I was rewatching the previous stream and it was pretty loud. I don't know. I think you gotta turn up the mic. I mean the volume. Whenever we do have this SIBI. A 0.5 level. And then what else? What else can I put? In that 2-hour time frame we did drop a lot. I would say we broke structure because of this right here. It's the downside. Let's go to one shot, one kill, man. Yeah, my speaker is bad, but I only hear a little bit of mumbling when you talk. A bit louder, I can hear it clearly. When I was watching my stream yesterday, I could hear it perfectly, man. I used to have a bad mic, I'm being honest. This mic is pretty good, I'm not gonna. It's probably one of the best. It's a condenser mic. It's the Audio Technica AT220. It was pretty expensive, man. And then so one thing what time for a speaker upgrade then? Yeah, probably, bro. I'll try to speak as loud as I can, I guess, but I'm not gonna blow anybody else's eardrums off, you know, because I feel like that's gonna make them stop watching the stream. But one thing I was doing yesterday, when I was reviewing, I was looking at the highs and lows. That's something I need to work on. I need to start working out lower time frame areas of liquidity, and just like a little bit more than I needed to, in my opinion. I think I need to mark more areas of liquidity, and that's pretty much it, you know. That's me. You're good. I'll try to hop it to get it fixed. That's good, bro. That's good. Cause I bet it's not for just. I bet it's for everything, bro. You probably can't hear everything, you know. It's not just. It could be the music, it could be everything. You gotta see. So we are on. We do have a 15-minute volume imbalance there. I want to see how that. Yeah, we have a 15-minute volume imbalance. Looks like if I wouldn't want to take a short, I would probably have to see a break of market structure right there, and I don't think we're gonna get that. It looks like it's rallying all the way up. Let's go to NQ. We have the inverse on the daily still being tapped. I wouldn't say it's an inverse. It's really of a SIBI. It's a sell side imbalance, but SPX is not touching that. It's right here. Nasdaq is touching it. Alright, bro. Take it easy, man. I'll be watching and learn from you, yeah, bro. You gotta do what you gotta do, man. There's always room for improvement, you know. That's how I see it. So we're gonna mark out the previous day low and previous day high from yesterday. And usually people draw the fib and see like what type of range they're in. So we did drop below the halfway mark. We were above equilibrium into a premium. Now we're dropping back down into a discount. This would be my draw on liquidity, the previous day low, and then probably, yeah, I was gonna target this imbalance. NQ does look good for shorts right now. Area of interest would probably be this sell side imbalance on the 30-minute time frame. And let's see if we can find something else on the 2-hour, 1 hour now, 30-minute, 5-minute, to the 5-minute. Yeah, that'll probably be my only area of interest. We are inside of a little inverse right now. Looks like we are about to, if we disrespect it and we come to retest it, that could be another sign that we're gonna go up. Go down. I'm just waiting for the news to come out, guys. There's news at 9:45. There's PMI news. I'm waiting for that, and then eventually I'm gonna probably wait till 10 o'clock, wait for all the manipulation to be finished, and then or like that 9:50, 10:10 macro. I'll see how price is moving on that macro, and let's just see. You know, I want to see how it moves. You know, so we are hitting that inverse on the 4 hour. I think, yeah, 4 hour time frame. We are rallying up now. We're going above it. We are hitting that. I think that 1 hour. Yeah, that 1 hour order block. We're hitting that 1 hour order block, and I'm just gonna see how price reacts to it. I think I might draw. Yeah, I'm gonna draw the mean threshold of it. It'll be around here. For the 1 hour time frame right there. We're just gonna see how price reacts right now. I need to add a text on here because I said I was only gonna stream for yeah, I'm only gonna stream for AM session. Streaming for AM session. 9 dash. Okay, 9:30 to 12. Stream for PM session. It's about 13 o'clock to, when is PM session now? I think 4, 16 o'clock. There. How can I add a outline it, yeah. Color. There, outline a little bit more dark. Can I see that? There. Alright, so we are dropping now. We're dropping a little bit. I want to see how price I'm alright, so things I wrote down that I need to work on. Like I said, I need to work on lower time frame areas of liquidity. So like the highs and lows on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, 15. That's kind of something I've been needing to work on. And then another thing is probably scaling up. Yesterday we were just watching the 1 minute. I want to see how I need to scale back up and look at the 5 minute and then the 15. See what areas of interest come to the market, I guess. And you know, not just using the 1 minute every 1 minute confluence. Of course that is good, but you know, we do need to work on viewing the other time frames, because yesterday we could have found an NQ trade around here if we would have seen this 5 minute SIBI. And then there was another one, where was it? I don't know. Oh, it's 15. So yeah, there's a 5 minute SIBI. It was right here. Could have viewed that. We could have had our entry and then could have taken a trade. Could have re-entered after we got stopped out at break even from the SIBI again. And then that would have been another re-entry. But even then, the market conditions weren't as favorable, because we were just looking at SPX, and SPX was not as clean price action like NQ. We should have viewed that on NQ. That's something I should have worked on, I guess. What is this? A 30 minute? It's a 1 hour what? It's a 4 hour. I forgot. It's a 4 hour SIBI, or it's a 4 hour inverse. That's kind of what I'm viewing right now. So we do have our highs and lows. We did hit this. Yeah, we are hitting that. And what is this on the 1 hour? It's a 2 hour, I think. 30 minute. That's kind of why I need to start labeling, man. I haven't been labeling. So at AM session's opening up. We still got 10 more minutes till news comes out. That's kind of what I'm waiting for. I'm gonna drink some water. I'm just gonna wait. I'm only viewing these markets. After if we do take a trade, then I'll probably view other markets. If not, you know, if we can't find a good trade, then I'll probably view the other markets too still. Let me remove the platform icons on the chat box. Yeah. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. So we are reacting pretty well. You can see we're just consolidating right now for NQ. Let's go for SPX. Let's see if we have SMT. I don't think we do. Yeah, no, we don't. We do have that CIBI right there, though, for both of them. That did make price rally up. Then we did have a breaker market structure. We came and retested, and then we went higher. And I want to see if we are in a 30-minute. Yeah, we are in a 30-minute sell-side imbalance for both of them. I want to see if price runs right through it. If not, then that is completely fine with me. I'm going to get rid of this 4-hour. Both of them, actually. I don't think it's as useful anymore since it's been ran through both times. Well, it can still work, but it's just been ran through multiple times, and I don't expect the price to gravitate around it. I want to see gravitate to the previous day low. If we are bearish, if we're bullish, the previous day high. I need to start being better at tape reading, guys. That's why I'm doing this. You know, I need to be better at tape reading. Top of the monthly. Let's make it a different color. Make it purple. Cause that looks like a take profit area. What else? So SPX is. So it looks like Nasdaq is weaker today. Because SPX or Nasdaq, we do have SMT here though. So Nasdaq does look. It created higher highs. This one created lower lows. It's created a lower high. So that just goes to show, you know, this one was a stronger one, but it is reacting more heavily to that sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. And I want to see if the market's on euro. Let's do the markets on euro. So we are already below the previous week low. We are hitting that sell side liquidity. Today's been very volatile. Looks like this would be my area of interest. Multiple consecutive up close candles. I want to see if price disrespects that. So the 30-minute time frame. We have a big imbalance there. Price is most likely coming to fill that up. I'm gonna draw a consequent encroachment of it. So I want to see if price does not come and try to respect that area. That's kind of my initial take right now. Something I'll be watching. So yeah, let's see if price does not come and respect that area. I feel like I need to label it better. Let's just add a. Just add a box around it like that. There, so we know what we're looking at. All right. So yeah, it looks pretty good. This one already took that out. Yeah. So what would be your market structure shift, guys? You can expect a retracement. We are in two imbalances. So for euro we have one, and then for GU we have two. So it's kind of a. Of course, I would want to see the first one filled first, or most likely get filled and then drop. But it looks like GU is the weaker one, so it might not have that, and it might just drop from here. If not, then we are gonna respect that and just rally and come to the first one, which is totally fine. We are dropping now. We still got 5 more minutes till news comes out, and that's kind of what I'm waiting for. Let's look at dollar index. Dollar index, it has a small minor one, not really too big, you know. Let's add this right here. Make it a darker color. That right there. So the mean threshold. That's kind of what I'm watching right now. So yeah, everything's reacting pretty well. We are dropping now. So I want to see how the news comes and affects it. What I'm waiting for, guys. It looks like we're just waiting for that news to come out. Even the charts are telling us to wait. So yeah, we're just gonna wait, man. I'm waiting for my phone to charge too, so we can open up MetaTrader on there and then take the trades there. And if we can't find a trade today, that is perfectly fine. I need to work on that. I need to work on not taking a trade every day, because every day doesn't have great market conditions. Like yesterday, it wasn't really a good market condition to take a trade on. It was low probability conditions for SPX. For NASDAQ, it was a little bit different, but for SPX, it was low probability, and I don't think I should have forced that trade. And then for the USD CAD trade yesterday, I feel like we could have done a little bit better managing our position. You know, we had the higher time frame overall, you know, telling us we are most likely going to rally higher. We had this right here. That was, you know, my confluence. And where is it at? I had my stop at this low, and then we got tagged out. I feel like I could have had a better stop loss, of course. You know, we didn't risk much, and that should have been more of a confluence to have a better stop loss instead of having it so tight. That's another thing I need to work on, my stop loss, my entries. I need to perfect that in order for me to maximize my risk to reward, and yeah, just to manage my trade better overall. You know, I feel like that's something I need to work on, and that would be another stepping stone for us to get more funding with higher profit from capital. But let's go back and let's view this. So we did drop a lot for 9 o'clock for dollar index. We are dropping. I feel like we are retracing, and then for these two we are retracing. Now we are rallying higher, but for my expectation, I feel like we're gonna come rally up then drop, because I feel like dollar has been really bullish, and it might want to rebalance into this consequent encroachment and then rally up, take out this liquidity down here. But we already have done that. Maybe this one down here, these lows, take that out and then rally higher, and then, you know, that's where the reversal might start right here. So it's kind of what I'm just waiting to see, you know. I'm waiting to see how the news reacts. I don't know if it's gonna be, you know, completely good price action. It might not be. Might be sloppy, or it might just do this right here like that. It might be like this 330 candle for the euro, and for GU it was at, look at that, for GU it was like this. At their news 430, it just came and just, so I don't know if we will find good, you know, quality setups. Probably on SPX and NASDAQ we probably will, but for Forex it probably won't be as good, or like the conditions won't be as clear for us to take a trade because of the news manipulation. So we're just gonna have to wait for that. We have 1 more minute, and that's kind of what I'm waiting for. I want to see how the dollar reacts, and we're about to have that in 10 seconds. So I'm just waiting, guys. We're gonna see in 5 seconds now. We're gonna see if the news comes out bullish or bearish for the dollar, and I'm gonna wait 5 minutes after that. And basically it's coming out right now. Boom, boom, boom. We're dropping. Okay. So it seems like we are bearish for dollar index. Looks like it's okay. So yeah. So we did take out that liquidity. We might have a reversal here. I wanted to see that. We're dropping below it. Where's this? We're dropping below that line. We are dropping below consequent encroachment of the buy center balance on the, I think, 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart. Okay, yeah, 2-hour chart. I want to see how the SPX is reacting. So we're rallying up on SPX. NASDAQ, we are rallying up too. So it looks like we are bullish. I want to see, you know, how this candle closes, and then we can finally take an entry. For these, we are rallying. GU looks a lot weaker, like I said. Euro looks a lot stronger. Dollar gonna reverse here. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close on the 5 minute. I usually like waiting 5 minutes after, and then that's gonna be a macro, the 950 to 1010 macro. I have all the macros on my wall on a piece of paper, and I have other things, you know, other confluences like The weekly profile, daily profiles, the market maker, buy model, market maker, sell model, and then the premium discount raise. We're just waiting for that right now, for this candle to close, and then we're gonna see how the news. So yeah, the news came out bearish for dollar, and everything. I think every news came out bearish because Euro had bearish news, and it dropped. GU had bearish news and it dropped, and then dollar's now having bearish news and it's dropping. But like everything's bearish for the news, which is pretty crazy. So it's like a back and forth range right now, and looks like we did take out that sell side. We're still holding above the consequent encroachment of the 2-hour buy side imbalance for dollar index. And I want to see how this reacts after it closes. I feel like we're just gonna maintain bullishness on dollar. It seems like that. We can't seem to go below, and if we don't close below, then that can probably give you a strong indication. This is on the 5-minute time frame too, guys. Let's go look at the news. So yeah, it was bearish. Everything's bearish, man. Came out bearish for the dollar. Everything's bearish, bro. So let's go look at SPX now. SPX is still rallying. Nasdaq is going to the moon, and Euro is still below that. This is still barely going above, and it's hitting the daily inverse. We're still maintaining. I feel like we're gonna come and fill this up. If I'm being real, I just don't see it not being filled. So yeah, we're dropping now. We're dropping more. So this would probably, if it does close below on the 2-hour, we're gonna say that is a market. This is market structure shift. If we do close here, like this, yeah. Why is it like that? I want to see this on the weekly chart. I feel like we have another one. Yeah, this one right here. Where's it at? Let's just take this off. Take this off. So we are rallying higher now. This kind of this can be used as an inverse, I would say. So it'll be your inverse on here for the SIBI, because we are about to close above the 30-minute. We still have 10 minutes, and I do expect it to close. We're dropping now. This is dropping below. I feel like they already closed on the 5-minute. We still got 40 seconds. I'm just wait for that. We're just gonna wait for that. Alright, so just want to see how this candle close. 16, 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're gonna close right below it. We gapped up. Alright, this is where we can find a high probable trade. So this one is back into that 30-minute. Let's change the color. Okay, no, we are not. We are dropping now. Did we hold up? We didn't hold that mean threshold of the order block on the 1-minute. I mean the 1 hour. These two up close candles. I want to see if we can react and drop a little bit above. So order flow is telling us bullish. We did have that market structure shift right there. And our OTE entry would have to use the low to the high using the bodies. Our OTE entry would be down here. If we do have a break, I would say this new candle that's forming would be the break. This low would use that low. So we are reacting like we can't go above it. Gotta hold above that mean threshold though. Yes. Let's see if we can hold above that. We are holding above the 5-minute. We do have that 5-minute imbalance now. Right here. It's gonna be right here. That 5-minute imbalance. That could be your entry point if you want to get a better entry, because it had that market structure shift, and then we're gonna come in refill. But it already did that here, you know, I rebalanced it right there, so that wouldn't be, I don't expect it to go down there. I want to see it close above this right here. NQ is looking really bullish. I don't even expect it to come down here anymore. It just looks really bullish. Yeah, we just keep rallying. SPX is more clean of a price action though. NQ is more volatile. This one can be the lagging one. Can take a while to. I don't know if I want to take a trade here, because if we are still hitting that mean threshold, if I was, what would my stop loss be down here? Would it be down here? I think it would be down here, because I don't know. If this holds in, I'll probably have it there. What would be my areas to take profit at? Probably these highs. These up here. They look like really clean highs. The price probably wants to draw to that. 5 minute. It's 5 minute highs right here. Clean highs too, you know. That could be your entry right there. But you gotta wait for the imbalance too, you know. That's another thing you have to consider, you know. If that imbalance wants to come back and get filled, like right there. Let's just wait now, you know. I feel like it was gonna. See, look, we are not holding above that mean threshold. That isn't a good sign for the 1 hour. It looks like we're not holding above those two up close candles. But we did refill back into that imbalance. That could have been an entry right there. Wait, that was not an imbalance for the 5 minute, because we didn't close on the 5 minute. This wouldn't be fully. This would be the one. This doesn't even close. These candles haven't even closed yet. You gotta really wait. You gotta get more of a confluence. So yeah, I feel like if we do close on this other candle, we do break structure right there. And then this would be your SIBI. You could come and retest and go short. And this could be your short. Could be your stop loss right there. And then your take profits down here. Because we didn't close on that 5 minute. Yeah, we didn't maintain that bullishness. The 5 minute. For Nasdaq though, it is a little different. Of course, yeah, no, Nasdaq the same thing. Nasdaq just looks a lot more bullish than SPX right now. But the same thing, it's inside of another imbalance right here. Looks like you can't hold. Looks like it's not holding that. Which isn't too good, you know. And it has another imbalance right here. This one hasn't broken structure yet. I would claim it as right there if it breaks structure. So yeah, and then SPX is now retracing. I want to see if it maintains itself below. Yeah, no. I need to see it close below and not have such bullish price action like that. This can be an inverse. So on the 5 minute. So we're just ranging back and forth now. It doesn't look like it's high probable. We're just inside this range right here. Just inside this range. We either got to break out of it. And this could have been. Like this could have been your order block. You came and retested it, yeah. But okay, we are bullish now. We are maintaining bullishness. We didn't break structure on Nasdaq. We did break. Okay, so I would say we did break structure on SPX. I want to see if we did create a 5 minute. No, we didn't. The 15, 30 minute. Most likely will. Let's see if it comes in retrace, and you can probably get an entry there. If it comes in retraces. If not, then that's perfectly fine. It is drawing to those 30-minute highs for liquidity. These three down close would be your order block. I want to see retracement. You can have your OTE. No, yeah, it's not going to retrace. I don't feel like NQ is not going to retrace either. This one's hitting what order block? Is it, I think it's the daily order block. Yeah, the daily order block. See if we can maintain our form above it. We're going for the previous day high on NASDAQ. It's kind of what we're reviewing for the draw on NASDAQ. SPX has these the 1 hour highs, and then yeah, you can have your draw for SPX as the previous day highs. That could be your ultimate draw. These could be like little stepping stones, I guess. He's gonna have a little retracement and then rally you even above it. Like NASDAQ, look at NASDAQ. Pushing, just pushing, man. What do y'all see? What are y'all seeing? Let's go to Forex. Let's go to 15-minute time frame on Forex. See if we, oh yeah, we did have that gap. We're still maintaining ourselves. This one went. This one just looks a lot weaker. EU looks a lot weaker. GU looks a lot stronger. No, GU looks a lot weaker because we still have that. These imbalances up here. This one. Let's go right here. I'll leave that there. So this one is already into that first imbalance. Created only one imbalance. GU created two. So GU looks a lot weaker. If we can go to Euro, GPB, let's see which one. We are rallying up, so that means Euro is stronger. So yeah. Alright, no, yeah, we are rallying even more higher on SPX. I would want to see a retracement back down and then take a short, long, probably into this one right here. How do I keep, okay, let's put that. I would want to see an OTE entry down here. That would be my entry point. If not, then it's perfectly fine. I need to use or stick to my trading model. My trading model is, I need a breakup structure for confirmation, an OTE entry, and then have a sweep of liquidity, of course, and then, an imbalance or an order block, breaker block, could be whatever. I feel like this would this be a breaker block? I feel like it's just too low of a time frame though, because this would be your low, your lower low, and this would be your high. This would be a little bit of your breaker block. Let's use it though, because YOLO. Use the bodies of the candles because that's where the bulk of the volume is. And let's see if we can find a good entry around here. I'm going to just put my entry at the breaker block. Have my low down here. I don't know if I should have it down here. I'd rather have it over here, So this would be 374 pips. 374 pips. 10 contracts. If I risk 1%, how much of a lot size? Let me check. Oh, the account balance. I was like, damn, why is the lot size so big? I need to change the account balance. Okay, yeah. Like around like one lot. I would have to risk for a 5K account. And how much of a risk to reward will this be? Can't really see it. Okay. That'd be a 3. 1 to 3. Yo, appreciate that, man. Appreciate the follow. Go Skull. Or the sub. I'm still new. I'm still new to this. Like around 1. I'll just risk one lot if we do come down there and we have our entry. If not, then I'll probably have to miss the trade and come back AM session or PM session, and take the trade there. So in the 5-minute, 15-minute. Let's take all this off real quick. Let's see. Let's take all this off. So how's price action looking? Let's just view it from a clear chart. Then we can add the drawings back. So yeah, we have an imbalance, an inverse there too. You stream a lot? This is my second stream. Nah. I am streaming until I get funded though. That's kind of my goal for streaming. And I just want to get better at tape reading. We have that 15-minute inverse. We are taking these highs. Looks like we want to retrace, and then yeah, we did break structure here. I don't know if we should use an OTE fib right there for that. I think that would be a better yeah, no, it does look like it wants to drop more. We are hitting this right here. 2 hour sell center balance on SPX. 1 hour time frame. This would be our imbalance right here. I don't know if we're going to continue to rally and take out the previous day high. We got to consider this right here. Say I'm doing 22 mentorship and training demo. That's good, man. That's good. I've already finished 22 and I'm still on 23 right now. I need to catch up. But I'm trying to pass a funded account. I'm just documenting it on here, I guess. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't think after I'm done funded, I don't think I will continue to stream, if I'm being completely honest. I probably will stream here and there. Damn, so my chart is cluttered up. I can't really see like clean levels. I feel like it's better if it's just clean. I feel like our charts are way too messy. So the 4 hour. Damn, bro, look at that. That is bullish momentum. Straight bullish momentum, bro. If we do come down here, this would be a perfect entry, and then we can have that right there. Let's clean up our chart, man. This is way too dirty. Even on NASDAQ. Let's go right here. So NASDAQ, NASDAQ's already above this fair value gap here. Already closed above it. And this would be your breaker, I guess. And I would want to see that come and get retested and then rally higher. It doesn't look like it's so strong anymore. We still have that previous day high as our draw on liquidity. This one, NASDAQ just looks a lot stronger. Looks like it has a lot more momentum than SPX. That's kind of what I'm saying. We're going to put this into consideration right here. We did run above this. I feel like we didn't. Oh, we could have got our entry. Yeah, I think we missed it. Yeah, totally fine. I got way too many levels on my chart. I didn't mean to do that. I got way too many levels. Oh yeah, that's perfect. These are perfect. We have the inverse over on this one. This is the inverse right here. These are the levels we were drawing pre-market. That's kind of why. NASDAQ. Let's clean our chart for NASDAQ. So 1 hour, 30-minute. You got these lows right here. So yeah, I would want to see a deeper retracement though. We don't got to get that though. We don't got to get it. I would just like a deeper retracement on all of them, if I'm being real. Especially SPX. I would want to see a retracement now. This is the 5 minutes. Something I need to do is I need to scale better on time frames. Instead of just you can probably use consequent encroachment if we do come back to the wick. It's gonna be your point of interest. Because it's a bunch of just mess right here. It's a bunch of mess. It's a bunch of sloppiness. We took out that liquidity right here. These highs, these relatively equal highs. The ultimate draw though is higher. We're still yet to get that above that imbalance. NASDAQ, we already went above it. It just seems like NASDAQ is a lot stronger. A big imbalance after that news. So I don't want to see. I want to see now. I probably would trade NASDAQ more because if it's looks like it wants to have a deeper retracement before taking out the previous day high. I would take it around here instead of SPX. We did retrace. We did miss the entry. We were aiming for the breaker instead of this little imbalance on the 15-minute. I think the inverse. We are rallying higher now. We're just rallying a lot higher. Let's clean this up. You can see the forex pairs. I feel like we're just consolidating. Look at that, we're just consolidating on forex. GU dropping. SPX. Everything looks like we're already inside this macro. 950, 1010. We already passed the macro. I forgot about it. Yeah, this would have been. This could have been your entry right here. I missed the trade, man. Not really too angry though. It's only 6 handles is moving right now. Moved up 6 handles from where we would have took that trade. That 44.10 level. Moved around 6 handles right now. Plus with spread, so probably around like 5 handles with spread. I just feel like I need to use these time frames instead of the 5 minute. The 1 minute. I need to be more patient because I feel like I'm really impulsive with the 1 minute, and that's something I'm trying to work on. I just feel like I force moves on the 1 minute, and that's something I was watching yesterday on the live stream. We were just forcing, really bad moves on the 1 minute instead of having the higher time frame draw, and we weren't marking out levels of liquidity. Where can I learn ticks and handles? Ticks and handles, that's for like futures. Handles, ticks, that's like futures. This is a CFD, but I think you just go on YouTube and you can find a video on there. I feel like a lot of people explain it better than me. They'll go more in depth for futures. Ticks and handles are futures. I just call it handles because people get confused with pips, and this right here would be around like 600 pips or 6 handles. Ticks are for futures though. Let me show you guys. Yes, these are like ticks right here. Every single one of these, like 0.5. You see how it says 0.5, and then 0.50, 0.75. These are ticks. So I'll move like 2 ticks, and then a whole handle is 1 whole move, and then it's like 2 handles, and like a tick. So there's only 4 ticks, 25, 50, and then 75, or 3 actually. So I move like 3 handles and 3 ticks, and that's kind of how they view it in the futures market right here. Damn, this shit doesn't look good at all. Oh, it's delayed, that's why I'm tripping. Forgot I don't got the premium. I don't pay for the premium because I'm not a futures trader. I'm a forex trader. So NQ, which is ranging inside this time window for silver bullet hour. Silver bullet hour is 10 to 11, so it just opened up. And let's see if we can find a trade on there. There's gonna be news tomorrow at 8:30, so I feel like tomorrow will probably be a lot more clean. Wednesday tends to be a trending day. Thursday's a reversal, and then Friday's just a consolidating day. So yeah. What's up, chat? You can see chat on the bottom left right here. I'm in the bottom right of your screen, and this is where I'll kind of be streaming on the bottom left, streaming for AM session. Then I'm gonna take a break for lunch. I'm gonna stop streaming. Take an hour break. So lunch is 12 to 1 o'clock, and then I'll come back for PM session. For lunch break, I think I'm gonna read my book, and then probably finish some other daily tasks that I have, and then just catch up on that. What about you? Any trades? Nah, man, no trades right now. I feel like we missed a move on the before the news. After the news too. This would have been our trade right here. It has a 15-minute inverse, and it came and tapped into it, and then now it's just rallying, taking out this liquidity, and it's that 1 hour imbalance we're looking at to see if price reacts to that. And that's kind of why. It's kind of what I was looking at. I didn't really take it though. I was waiting for an OTE entry. I was using the bodies. Our OTE entry would have been down here instead of up here, so that's kind of why we didn't take it. We're sticking to our rules and models because I am trying to get pass on the funded. That's kind of why I'm live streaming now. You play sports? I don't right now. I'm just lifting. I'm bodybuilding, I guess you can say. Not really bodybuilding. I'm just trying to get to a certain physique. Not really trying to go crazy with the bodybuilding. I'm trying to be super swollen, like, not be able to bend my arms. This is gonna be the meat threshold right here. I feel like we're just too deep into a premium now to even take a trade. I feel like it's just way too deep, man. Yeah, we're just way too deep into a premium to take a long. I wouldn't really want to take longs here. So I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna see how price is reacting. Do you think you would be famous in the industry someday? I don't really think like that, man. I don't really see myself. If I'm being real, like if I genuinely make a good amount, I don't really would care for fame because I already have a source of income. I wouldn't really rely on the popularity and like opening up a Discord and like selling a course or paying like a premium Discord. I guess that's like extra money people do, and they seek more fame so they can grow the other business. I guess that business, and I really wouldn't want to do that. I would really just want to rely on trading. And the reason I'm just streaming and like making videos right now is for entertainment, like I said. But I kind of can't see what confirmations you wait before entering a trade. Just a break of market structure, and then eventually, OTE entry. That's kind of what I wait for. I use the bodies for OTE, so like has to be below the equilibrium, and that's kind of my two confirmations. Has to be there in New York session. Has to be following the order flow. So order flow here is just bullish. I mean, the order flow is bullish. We are rallying up. We're creating, we're breaking structure to the higher. We're creating higher highs. That's kind of another confirmation, and then I have it on my wall, and that's pretty much it. Probably look for a liquidity sweep, a session sweep, or previous day high, previous week low sweep, and just macros. That's pretty much it. They're in the time window of New York. I wouldn't really trade. I don't trade London or Asia session. I only trade New York, AM session and the PM session. I used to trade lunch, but I just don't tend to. I don't tend to be as profitable with lunch. I kind of give back my AM session winners, and that's kind of why I want to step away from lunch too. I feel like I give back my winners. I don't like that. How do you identify break of structure? How do you identify a break of structure? So it's pretty much a high or a swing low that gets broken. So this right here would be your break of structure. Is a swing high. It has two higher lows to the left. Basically, this would be your short-term high. Short-term high. This would be an intermediate high. So that's kind of what I look for. Same thing for a break of structure to the lower side. I would have to have a lower high and a lower high right there, and then eventually a lower low, and just break that. That would be my initial break of structure if I was going short. But yeah, no, I don't think it's gonna retrace, man. It's just gonna keep going up. We missed our entry, and now we're just gonna have to wait for a PM session probably. I don't know, man. I don't want to look at the other markets either. I feel like if you just focus on one market, you can get really good. That's kind of what I've been trying to do. I have all for one right there, and yesterday we were looking at a lot of markets because the conditions were low. But today, we gotta focus up and see if we can find a good trade on here. One market only, which is SPX. We kind of use Nasdaq for more of a correlated market to see the correlation between them, since they are both US stock exchange markets, and we did take out that previous day high. SPX, we are still yet to reach it on SPX. We did take out this though. We are inside the imbalance, and it just looks like it wants to continue to rally. This one just rallied all the way. I feel like this one would have been a better trade. As soon as we tapped it twice, that should have been our confirmation. We could have went long, and yeah, it would have been a lot better of a trade. Even with this break of market structure, retest, went higher. I would have wanted to see this imbalance get filled a little bit better, but it didn't get filled. Just like a quarter of it. Then we went up. Same thing for SPX. I want to see if we have an NQ inverse. We have the inverse, I think right here. Yeah, right there. I don't think you would have found a trade though. This would have been your inverse. Yeah, no, yeah. This thing is very, very bullish. Both of them are very bullish. That's kind of what I don't want to see though, because on the higher time frame we have been dropping, and this week we are just retracing. I guess on the weekly time frame we're just retracing, and this is the previous week high. If we go to the range from the previous week high to the previous week low, you can see we're still right below equilibrium, and I'll be perfectly fine if we go above it a little bit more, and then eventually we drop. It's kind of what I'm anticipating for. I don't want to see it maintain its form above equilibrium on the weekly chart. because that would indicate, we're still bullish. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're still in that PM session. We're still in that PM session window. I want to see a retracement though. For Nasdaq, I would want to see a retracement. I use the bodies, guys. I don't use the wicks or anything. Or like measuring like the order blocks and like the midway or the mean threshold of it. I only use the bodies because the bodies have more volume than the wicks. If you use like the bodies for like OTE too, you can see that it will give you a better entry fill or a better entry initial targets than the wicks. The wicks, and then they can skew your entry, and price can run right through it. So yeah. I mean, we can use the wicks though. If y'all want to, man, we can use the wicks. We can use the wicks. It's a bigger range, but I like to condense that. Let's just show y'all. Let's show y'all how the wicks do. See if we can retrace a little bit more. I want to lay back a little bit. These streams, man, they make me tired on the mental. What's your weekly bias? Weekly bias. I just said that. A weekly bias is for the equilibrium. I don't want to see it maintain its form above equilibrium. I want it to. It is retracing on the weekly time frame. So that's kind of why we are bullish. But I do want to see this drop more. Probably next week. This week, totally fine with this. Just retracing a little bit, having a retracement week, and then eventually just dropping after this week. But for this week, I am going to expect us to close bullish. It's kind of my initial reason, because we have been bearish for the last couple of weeks, and we are hitting that monthly fair value gap. It is more of a confluence than the monthly time frame. Still got 8 days, so probably next week we're gonna have to wait and see how that monthly candle closes. So we are still above the mean threshold of that order block. See, I need to scale it back up more on some more time frames, I guess. There's no imbalances here. 15-minute time frame, we have this one right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll probably have to be down here, Then we have that inverse on the 1 hour, I think. Those two blue lines. That's what it is. Yeah, the inverse on the 1 hour. I want to see how this one reacts, though. I want to see if we can maintain. See if we can close above that. No, yeah, we can't. Let's see our chart naked. I want to see the chart naked. So yeah, we're way too deep into a premium. If we do break structure right here, though, I'll kind of look for some shorts. If we have break construction, we have displacement. If we leave a fair value gap back, we do close below this, then I'll kind of look to take some shorts, target these lows, even though we have been bullish. It would be, a little risk on, of course, but nothing wrong with that, you know what I'm saying? Which traders do you follow? So some of the traders I follow are TJR. I follow TJR. I follow ICT, Paladin, Omar, Jade Cap, Tactical Traders, and then who else am I trading? Let me go show y'all. I can pull up my thing right here. So I follow ICT. I'm gonna show you his students, I guess. I call them ICT students. So these are Forex Cartel is really good. Dodgy DD really good. Casper, he's alright. He just tries to explain concepts a little bit too basic. Economics is pretty good. Ment FX, Phantom, Rojo. Kamel's really good too. I do follow this guy. He is really good too. His name is Genius Raphael. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. This is pretty much the only people I follow. Tyler trades. I watch his recaps majority of the time, see what he was trading and the reason. I follow Gordon Ramsay, Daily Stoic, Words of Wisdom. I like watching his podcast. Strange ICT, I watch his videos sometimes, not all the times. And yeah, that's pretty much everybody. We took out previous day high. Could you see the previous day low as an extra on liquidity for NQ or what? For NQ? Pods are really nice. Yeah. For Words of Wisdom, they're like they're unique, I guess. You know, the industry, no one else in the industry is making podcasts like that. And yeah, I can see the previous day low, or like the 50 like consequent encroachment of the range from yesterday. I can see that probably being tagged later today, like around here, of course. If not, then probably these imbalances that are being unfilled, or yeah, I can see us dropping down and targeting all this big imbalance and just come to and fill it up. That's kind of why I said, you know, I'll kind of will take some shorts if we break structure and fill this fair value gap here. I don't want to see it go above and close it because that would be an inverse. That would maintain bullishness, and we did just that. You see, we're just gonna maintain bullishness, and it's way too deep into a premium in my opinion. But this one is the lagging one. It hasn't took out the previous day high, and NQ has. So that's kind of what I'm viewing. So you can see we're still inside of this imbalance, and we still haven't took out the previous day high for SPX. I used the midnight candles for my daily range. I don't use the regular session breaks. You can take a long here, right here. Boom. I'm gonna take a long right here, man. It's not an A-class setup, but I'm gonna see if I can take a long. I don't know yet, because on the 15-minute chart, we do look like we want to continue bullishness. 5-minute chart, I don't know. It doesn't look too bullish on the 5-minute, so I'm gonna just wait for more confirmation, either for a breakup structure and then a retest, and then because this would be your breakup structure here. We did retest and then we went higher, but that was pretty much it. And this one would be my breakup structure. I need displacement though. So we did close right to the tick of that low. NQ, yeah, I can see NQ dropping now. Since it is the weaker one, see SPX created lower highs, NQ created lower lows. Now I can see NQ being the weaker one. Come here. Good. You okay? Good. I'll be back. I'm streaming right now, right? My little puppy, man. She needs some attention. Alright. And then, yeah, nice. It looks like it wants to drop. It's way too deep into a premium, bro. Just rallied. I feel like lunch is going to have that. I feel like PM session is going to have that short. Discord link is in the description. If I'm being real, bro, I don't even touch Discord anymore. Let's see where I was doing on Discord. Let's see, guys. It's starting up. So I don't even, if I go to my Discord, it's called Smart Money Trading. Yesterday I said welcome everyone that is joining from the stream. I didn't mean to do that. Right there. And then I said was a bit busy, wasn't able to welcome y'all after. Like I said, I will be streaming daily at 9:30 Eastern every day until I get funded. So yeah. See, NQ is still rallying higher, bro. Just if you didn't get in on the longs here, man, you're pretty much done for, man. I don't think nobody else did. If you traded news, you're savage boy. But this is basically the news right here. It's just bullish momentum. See, the indices news doesn't really affect it that much. If I'm being real, 945 wasn't even affected that much. It was probably after just a little bit. But for the forex pairs, you can see news did a lot more damage. Just did a lot more damage. There was a lot more of a gap. And yeah, man. Dollar's finally dropping, bro. I want to see dollar drop. I feel like we've been way too bullish. We've been way too bullish, bro. We've been way too bullish. I need dollar to drop. I need this one to hold. To go above and then retest. That would be my entry point. And then this one has been just rallying. I don't think it's going to want to take a short. We've been taking out both sides of the market now. Like lunch will probably offer that. Then the mean threshold of that order block did hold. We're just rallying now. This one never came and got retested. I feel like I need to just clean my chart a little bit. It's a little bit too much clutter. Monday. Alright guys, I gotta go. BRB. I'll be right back, alright? See, I am active. I gotta go. All right, guys, I'm back. I didn't see the type. No, I didn't see it. All right, ladies and gents. All right, so we did have that mean threshold. We did hold the 1 minute time frame. We did rally up. We did look like we were ranging, taking out these highs. That's kind of what I saw right there. Boom. Yes. Put my wallet, my keys, all that. But they're leaving in an hour. Back up to there. There. All right. So they are still rallying. Is NQ still rallying? NQ is, damn, that shit is rallying to the moon. I see a lot of people on Twitter taking these euro shorts. I mean euro longs. We're taking euro longs. Their initial reason was because of the correlation with dollar. Dollar is rallying. Looks like it's bounced to rally even lower. Euro does look like it's a stronger one out of GU. Like I said earlier, it does look a lot stronger. Hi, hello, brother. Damn, the stream is dead now. Nobody's in here. Bandits is in my account now. I feel like I'm drawing too many levels. It's kind of what I'm feeling. Let's take out these levels right here. Let's clean the chart a little bit. I expect this to come down there. What else? Already marked this 4 hour. I'll have to keep that there. I'll keep this there just in case. Took out these lows. Yesterday, that's kind of where I was looking at to take a trade. No, where's yesterday? Tuesday, around here. Looking to take a trade. Damn, so if I did take a trade yesterday on GJ, that would have been a W. No, yeah, it was just ranging. I forgot. No, it was Friday. No, Monday, I think. No, Thursday. It was Thursday. Yeah, I was trying to take a trade. I got stopped out. No trades for us today. I don't think so. Until PM session, maybe. Where the music? Let me put some music, man. Sorry to hear myself. Let me do this real quick. Oh, I'm back, guys. I feel like the chat. No one's gonna read the title anymore. They're just gonna end the live stream. Just end the live stream. Come back PM session. We have gotten 2 subs. Appreciate the subs, the packs and goal. We getting more subs, man. It's at 106 though. That makes me mad, man. I want the watch hours to increase. That's kind of what I'm aiming for though, for this month and next month. I feel like my watch hours to increase. I don't really mind streaming at all, you know. It's something I enjoy. I just need to upload that video. I need to upload like a banger video. We can start popping again, like the TGR video. Alright, so we're just rallying, man. We took out these levels right here. We took out this level. We disrespected it. I would have the inverse there, but I need to keep my charts clean, man. I already have too much on my chart. Inverse on the daily we did. Looks like it's gonna be an inverse. Let's put it yellow. Mean threshold of this order block. We are hitting it right now in the 15-minute time frame. Market maker buy model right there. I feel like we're about to get some movement here from this. Told you bad man don't dance. Who told you don't dance? Even when I whop on my hip I dance. When I take another step on dance. Two left feet doing grip and dance. Don't run me out, I give her a chance. She give me a glance. Got a tight dress just to enhance. Bump bump energy before. Don't you got dumb pump bump. I got a long Johnson. It must be destiny, or you feel like X to me. You feel like ecstasy. This must be destiny. That's why you feel me. That's why like ecstasy. Hey, don't you bad man don't dance. You gangsters don't dance. Even when I whap on my hip I dance. Bad man take another step and dance. Two left feet don't trip and dance. I mean I might give her a chance. Give her a look, she give me a glance. Tight dress just to enhance. The shoulders, that's the shoulder and right side. I remember the very good old time. I know the vibes, I'm wondering about rolling eyes. I love it, it slowly dies. So I know I know your control, and I know what needs controlling guys. I want you to grow with the guys. Let's go this level. What is this level? It's liquidity level on the what? Jealous of the mean I don't care. It's not fair. No trouble. I'm prepared. Married. I'm scandalous. There. Trouble is there. We're back, guys. Just jamming right now. Trouble gonna find me. I made it right before 11. Gonna find me. I'm gonna wind me. Damn, bro. I was wrong. We're just straight bullish. I was thinking, you know, like, are we gonna hold this 1 minute mean threshold of the order block? And we did, and just rallied. We did have a break. We never came and retested it though. I'll be looking for a lunch reversal and then some PM shorts if I'm being real, because I feel like we're just way too deep into our premium. But Wednesday can be a trending day, so we just gotta see how lunch. After lunch, I'll open up the stream for lunch. I'm gonna take a break for lunch. I'm in stream here after lunch, of course. During 12 o'clock, I'll in stream. PM session, bottom right corner, you see that little time, and then yeah. I want to look for some shorts, I'm not gonna lie, but it's just hard to look for some shorts in a uptrending market. Let's use standard deviations here. Don't dance. Don't dance. Even with a whop on my head, I dance. That 2 point. It was like probably 2.25 for that. Adjustation standard deviations. Could use a standard. We could probably use a standard deviation on this one too, right here. Like a retracement lag. 2.5 around there. Where the manipulation occurred, we can have that right there. Now I want to see a little retracement up, and then let's look at the 5 minute. Okay, 5 minute. Yeah, we have imbalance right here. I want to see that get broken through, and we could probably take a short there. This is probably where the lunch reversal happens in the PM session. Continuation down with the lunch reversal. That's kind of what I'm viewing right now, since we did disrespect this right here. Let's view this real quick. Cause who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a whop on my hip I dance. That UK rap beat, they're very catchy. So we did have a break in market structure with this low right here. I would classify that as a break in market structure. Let's put this one a little different like that. This one is the mean threshold of the 1 hour. I can see us taking shorts on NQ for me in room. I just don't know how much we would be risking. Let me check right now. Let's see. So we did have that manipulation. It's relative low standard deviations. Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you don't dance? Even with a wipe on my hip I dance. Bad man, take another sip on dance. So let's see if we can take a short here. How much would our stop loss be? I'm gonna put my stop up here at these bodies. So 663. 663. Around there. Let's see. 0.7 around there. I need rejection though, I need rejection. I'm gonna just risk 0.3. Oh, no, yeah, we're not dropping. I don't think we are we? We're feeling this imbalance. I don't want to see it hold. Now we're not though. See, this is not a valid trade right there. No valid trade. No valido trade. It is above the mean threshold for sure. I would say that. Let's look at OTE. Is the OTE entry right here? Question mark? Question mark? Oh, we're holding. Hold on. I'm gonna de-risk myself a little bit, chat, if I do take this trade. So, okay, yeah, no, I think I want to see how this candle closes. Appreciate the follow, KL. Ooh, okay. I want to get back more of a retracement, come back up right here. Stop loss 800 then. So yeah, no, we'll probably have to de-risk ourselves. So around like 800, yeah. I need a retracement, yeah. Come on, give me that. Now I'll take an NQ short. I need to rally up and then down. But now we need to unvalidate this. And then that would be my short. So right there, that would be my short. This would be like a 800 pip stop loss too, yeah. And I'll take one right, partial right there. Okay, yeah, let's see a little bit more rally, but alright, I want to see rejection. Yeah, we are rejecting a lot. Alright, so I'm gonna take a short, NQ short. Take a short, guys. Hopefully this trade pans out. I didn't risk too much. We only risked like a little bit of under 1%. 0.81. That's our entry right here. Our stop loss is up here, and then this probably will be our initial take profit one. This area right here. So we are take profit one standard deviation, and then our next one would probably be this low. Oh no, we're retracing. Oh, that's what I don't want to see. Last one will probably be over here. So I'm just gonna be watching this right now. I'm gonna be managing the trade. This one's very volatile, I will say that. So don't try to be too afraid, you know. I wouldn't want to be too afraid. So we can have pretty good risk management, not risk too much, you know. If we do lose 1%, so 131.67, 131.67. Our stop loss. Oh, we're coming close to it. No, we're breaking. We're rallying up. I don't want to see it come close to the consequent crushment of this. I don't want to see it rally above that. It's gonna give me bad sign. That doesn't look like it's gonna be bearish. Damn, yeah, we got a bad entry. We should have waited. We probably will get stopped out if we come in. It's like a little bit closer. Yeah, we probably got stopped out right there. Yeah, we got stopped out for sure. Yeah, we got stopped out, guys. So minus $20 for me, aka like 2.5%. No, like 0.5% around there. So it's L trade. Damn, I feel like I rushed it, man. That's what I'm talking about. We rushed the trade. Damn. Stop loss was a little too tight too. We should probably put it up here, man. But it's kind of too big. It's like the risk reward is gonna be skewed. That's why I had it here. I don't know if I'll be looking for a re-entry if I'm in a row. Just gonna leave that on our chart there. I wanted, no, I didn't take that off. I wanted to see the mean threshold hold. We didn't hold, so that doesn't look like a good sign to me. Let's move this right here. How can I move it more to the right without me put down the trade. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, no, the conditions were good. The trade conditions were good here. I took a trade, guys, on NQ. We lost about, I think like point 0.5. Only lost 20 bucks, which is like 1% is 50 for a 5K account. So we lost like 0.5%. Trade wasn't. It's coming to an end. We didn't enter off of a macro. The 1110 to the 1050 to 1110 macro already finished. Not really much movement. Probably should have waited to the PM session. Of course, we were going against the trend, aka the order flow. Main reason for the trade, let me explain it for y'all. If y'all are just watching right now. So we had a market structure shift, inverse of the fair value gap, and then I saw this candle closure. I thought, that was going to be expected to be an order block. We came, we retested, and then I entered, and then eventually we closed, and then we came and just rallied up. My stop loss was up here, and I guess we weren't able to hold. I saw the manipulation right here, and I used the bodies for the OT entry right here, just like that. I saw the rejection right here, and I was like, oh yeah, no, we're about to drop, and I guess that wasn't really a rejection. So just quick 0.5 loss on NQ, not too bad. We have a 5-minute buy side imbalance that I'm looking to see if we can get filled. If not, become an inverse. So kind of what I'm waiting for right now. That's what my eye is drawing to right there. We did take out the previous day high too. That's kind of why I'm looking for shorts. I feel like that was the draw. We already passed it up. If we go to the higher time frame, you can see we're hitting the mean threshold of this order block, and we have a little imbalance there. Maybe want to come and fill that up. Maybe this one right here. That's only my initial reason for where price really wanted to go. These two right here. So let me mark that out. In the 4-hour time frame, the 1 hour. We did take out these highs. We still haven't took out those highs. We still got a lot of highs to take out. We're just gonna chill now, and we're gonna see. I want a lunch reversal, so that's kind of what I'm waiting for. A lunch reversal, and I feel like I need to stop using 1-minute breakup structures. I feel like these are false moves. They must stick to the 5-minute. I feel like that's more confirmation. So I think I'm gonna put that into my trading model, 5-minute confirmation instead of a 1-minute. Even though the 1 minutes are good and you can refine the risk, but you need more confirmation than the 1 minute. You need like a 5-minute confirmation. So yeah, drink some water real quick, guys, and just chill. Oh man. I'm gonna go check my funded account real quick. I'm gonna see how much I want to see my account balance. I feel like we're down in drawdown again. Let me go look at that real quick. Let me log in, guys. Let's go look at SPX. I'm done looking at the freaking 1 minute. Let's get the 5-minute. account. Let's see. So we're down like 1%, 1.38. Let me show you real quick. My dashboard. So let me move this real quick. Shrink it. See the price action. So we're down $69. Right now we lost 20. Yesterday we lost around like 40, I think, around there. And that's pretty much the account balance. This is the equity curve right now. We're down like we're about to be down 2%. Static, 5K, MT4 account. That's what I'm doing right now. I haven't touched the 15K. I'm waiting to get past this one. Of course, we have the other funded accounts, and that's kind of what I'm looking at. I'm looking to pass this one first with good risk management and not have that drawdown curve that we had before. It's kind of what I'm, I want to do. I don't want to mess it up. Don't know what's up, don't know. So we are still maintaining bullish price action here. I just want to see a lunch reversal and then a PM continuation to the downside with the lunch reversal. I just feel like we're way too bullish, way too deep into a premium. Am I gonna get that? Probably if the mean threshold holds. If not, then yeah, we're pretty good. If not, then we're just gonna rally higher. Lunch is gonna consolidate, or it might have a little reversal and then PM's gonna go higher. It's either one of the two. You can't expect. Can't have too many high expectations right now. Let's go look at SPX. So we did have that mean threshold hold, man. I should have just probably took that. It was not high probability though. That's the thing about that. That mean threshold holding was very unprobable. This one hasn't took it out that previous day high. It's still lurking around there. I feel like I should just trade it SPX, man. But the price action is way more clean. I'm gonna wait for this. If we do have a break, wait for that to get broken through. I'm not gonna use 1 minute breakup structures. I'm gonna use 5 minute breakup structures, and that's kind of my initial reason for that, was because we had a 1 minute breakup structure here and we didn't hold at all. You see that? This became resistance and then turned support. It's kind of support and resistance. I trade support and resistance mixed with I'm just fine. Yeah, price action is just chopping around now because we already had that continuation for the macro. Macro hit. I was like really before the macro though. Ended right there, so 10:30 to 10:50 around there came in, boosted us. I'm going on Twitter real quick. I want to see what everybody on Twitter is posting. Let's go on Twitter, guys. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Let's go on Twitter. Official. Sports team kit is 100% on the day with a free course on YouTube trading multiple pairs. I talk my talk and my work does too. Let's go. This guy has an amazing future ahead of him. First, 100% win rate. Win rate matters at Dave Teaches FX. Look at this. His winners were, his losers were really, really short. His winners were really big. Don't know if this is a 14-year student still trading demo. Let's grow together. That's really good, man. He's up there, bro. He's up there. He's climbing the ranks. Trading's a job. I want to see trades. So someone take this trade. Wednesday rolls for Dr. Trades. But sure, I'm still reading price instead of mechanical system. Simple, even a goldfish. You could master this. Welcome. So yeah, I think he traded crude oil. Good trade. NQ3R. Took a long on NQ. I should have took a long. This is PM session, I think. This would have been a good log. Wouldn't have been a bad long. Can you zoom out? I want to see why your chart. Why you took long there. Market structure. So breakout above London highs. Daily fair value gap. Asia low swept. He's holding the runners. Then Gene took EU longs. So yeah, pretty good trades, guys. Look at Jade Cat, bro. It's the two circles and the one long, and then once I know what that is. He said it in the chat. This guy said it in the chat right here. I don't want to get canceled. -1R US. So let's see a simple setup all day. Monday's range played out today. ES didn't. On to the next. So Monday's high got swept. He was looking for again. Look at that. I think we're way too deep in the premium. He even knows. That's why he was trying to short. Trying to short to the Monday lows. All this low resistance liquidity is being built up right now. You need that sell side being swept soon. It's kind of ripe. We're taking shorts. And someone took a short here. I took a short right now, bro. Everybody's taking shorts. I'm telling y'all, man. 1 hour fair value up. He took the trade off of a 1 hour fair value up. Damn, that's crazy. It's a big stop loss. It's a big ass stop loss. Holy shit. It's trading minute 15. There's another one right there. He should have probably waited. Even then, bridges broke through it. Price has been very bullish. Great start to the morning. People did long. You can see that. Some people were longing. Boom. Boom. So I guess longs were the move today, I guess. You can see buy sides. Order block held. Institutional order flow entry drill. We held even higher. We are taking out that previous day high. Everyone for comments in the lecture. My time for message wrong. Please save your breath. No one on the internet is going to persuade you from my analysis. New week. New high of week on NQ for Wednesday. Yeah, pretty much. That's where the manipulation occurred. Use standard deviations to draw that out. Probably kind of, I don't know. I feel like it will probably take these highs out. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. See this. I feel like that's it, really. Everybody taking the trade. I don't want to get canceled. I can't show that, chat. I can't show that. I can't get canceled. I can't. I just can't. I just don't want to get canceled, guys. And then, yeah, we're taking out the previous day high right now. Seems like we are holding to go long. See, I think I shouldn't have taken this short, or is it a short right here? It was right here. We took a short. Trying to target this imbalance here. We had that 1 minute confirmation, OTE, breaking market structure right here, and then take the short. Did look it was gonna hold, but it wasn't, because we went against order flow, and that's something I need to work on. You know, I usually tend to go against order flow. Need more confirmation on the higher time frame too. You know, to see if the trade's really gonna pan out in our direction before really entering. Look at the market. It looks beautiful, man. Beautiful for some longs today. We should have did that. It held above right around here. Held above right here. And then broke through this fair value gap. That should have been more confirmation around 9:30. What else could we have done better? 9:30, 9:45 came and just rallied up. Probably could have had an entry around there, targeting the previous day high. Around here after 9:45. Around, yeah, no, you can see there was another fair value gap there created. Could have been our entry with this right here, breaking those highs, having a more breakup structure on the market on the 1 minute. Could have had this, and you could have seen this fair value gap hold. I mean, break through that one. That would give you more confirmation. But even this one we held. We tapped it 3 times and we held. If you entered around here, stop loss. Could have been at these lows down here. Kind of a big stop loss though, so you could have probably put it right here in between this little 2 candles right here and this little imbalance right here. Could have probably put it right there, or put it at the mean threshold of this wick. You could bring your stop right there. This one is more risky though, because if this becomes an inverse, you're probably most likely gonna get stopped out, and then you could have probably targeted the previous day high. and that would have been your initial. Why is it okay? PM thing. So yeah, this would have been your initial trade, 1 to 3, quick 1 to 3. But if you had your stop loss down here, that would have been a 1 to, basically 1 to 2. We have used standard deviations right here for more take profits. Probably did this. We saw the trade holding, had a runner. Target that 1 standard deviation, 2.5 standard deviations. Yeah, this would have been a good trade. I feel like we just weren't able to read the market. We need to be able to read the market real time, or else doing it in hindsight won't do us any good. You know, we need to take these trades live and be able to read it live, or else just reading the market when it's already happened, transpired, then that's pretty dumb. You know, not really to catch in the trades. Of course, it's good for your eye to catch it, like learn. But if you're not really like live executing it, it's not really good. You know, you need live execution. You need to always have your top-down analysis correct. You know, from whenever you do a top-down, you could have seen we are bullish. This bearish momentum was really just a Judas swing, in my opinion, for the initial move rally to the rally up. Because for this, it didn't really even react to the news like EU and GU did. These two reacted really heavily on the news, and indices for like other news, it didn't really react for like other countries except for USD. You know, USD did react pretty well for the 945 PMI. But other than that, you know, all this right here after London was pretty much a Judas swing until the market opened at 8:30. It started to rally higher. It started, you know, to have a shift in direction. That could have been our reason. Yeah, this could have been the order block we held. Yeah, it could have been a way better. It could have been a change in steady delivery right there. That could have been more to our bias. So in the 5 minutes, let's go look at other markets. So we're still holding. Let's clean up our chart on this one. I want to take off the constant encroachment for that. 30-minute time frame to take this off. We still have this little 1 hour buy side imbalance, that's an efficiency. I want to see if price comes in. If not, we can come and retrace and then eventually come and tag that one down. Where's the little path indicator? I feel like that would help me a lot. Where's path? I know a lot of people use it. I need to start doing that, like showing y'all what I'm actually thinking. I never can find it. Where's it at? Let me find that so I can use it right now. I think is it this one? Okay, no, it's not that one. Cause I know path has like, you can mark multiple right here. There we go. Let me mark it out. Okay, yeah, there we go. I need this. So what I can expect from dollar is if we don't hit that and we just like rally back up, we're gonna come and hit this, and then we do create an imbalance. How can I fix this? I should never take my eye off of that. We do come in an imbalance, we can come and just drop lower. I just continue to do that. Oh wait, whoa, what am I doing? This is new to me. Hold on. This is kind of cool. This is really cool actually. It's really litty. Okay, let me clean this. So what can I expect? A retracement, and then eventually we come and hit this, and then we come and probably retrace into another fair value gap, and then we just drop after that. How can I end it right there? Just like that. Like that. Okay, yeah. So that's kind of what I'm expecting. And then, you know, we're gonna have a little imbalance. We're gonna have our break-in market structure. If that doesn't happen, then of course we're probably just gonna drop. We're gonna draw past it, come and rebalance into another one, then eventually drop. And that would be pretty much the likely scenario that happens. If we're just continuing to be bullish. If not, then, you know, of course we can just chill and wait for more confirmation. SPX, what I expect from SPX, if we continue to rally we target these highs in like this order block, and then we come and retrace. We're just gonna take out that liquidity up there, then we're just gonna retrace, and then we're just gonna do that right there like that. We're gonna come retrace and go again. It's like this clear path of indication where we want to go. Let's make this one a different color. There. Okay, yeah, there we go. Whoa, buddy, what are you doing? But yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. The GJ dropped all the way to the moon. You can see that. Let's go look at the other markets, since the market's slowing down right now, since lunch is about to come by, and I think I'm about to end the stream like in a couple of minutes. Then I'll come back for a PM session. I'm gonna go, handle some business and read, do some other stuff. I don't want to do that. Sell side on the daily got swept. This one right here. Look at that PM session. Look at that. Look at this. I don't know how people are taking longs. Like, why would you? I don't know why. Why? I feel like the weekly is gonna rally up, trace, and continue to rally. That's kind of what I'm expecting on the weekly, since we do have that main threshold of the order block. On the monthly time frame, you can see. So this might be just a little retracement, and then after that we're gonna rally, probably hit consequent encroachment, retrace, tap that, and then just continue to rally above that, and just be like that. That's kind of what I'm expecting. Don't know too much because the monthly candle can take a while to print, so you gotta use the intraday charts if you're day trading. Let's see 1 hour time frame. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna close in 20 minutes above this. I think I have way too many lines on my chart. Let's put this one like the mean threshold, put it as a yellow. I never use yellow. Yellow looks really nice. Yeah. Alright, guys. What do y'all guys expect? What does chat expect? Let's remove this message. What is everybody expecting from the market? Let's go look at Discord, see if our Discord is welcome everybody, welcome my friend. What does people do? What do y'all need to know, man? I cleaned this up. I already have market maker, like the bonds and then crypto in here, so I don't know why I had this in there. If I'm being completely honest, I don't view these markets. I don't view CAD JPY and then Euro JPY. So I'm gonna just clean those up. We're just gonna leave these markets here. Only really ones that I have an interest in are these. I don't think I view any other market. Let's have Euro JPY up there, and the USD CAD. Let's leave these over here like this. Let's put AUD over USD, AUD JPY, and then yeah. Gonna join the Discord? Yeah, bro. It's in the description. You can join the Discord. It's in the description. If I'm completely honest, I haven't been charting. I usually show my analysis usually on let's go through it actually. 820 was before like the weekend. I usually go Sunday usually. So GU has had the worst price action since Euro GPB is now dropping. We can expect Euro to be stronger out of the two, which is why GU has been acting like this, building up high resistance liquidity. I would recommend EU instead for more clean price action, but the draw is higher, but it will struggle to get there with speed. And you can see that we did drop, and now we're going higher. Let's actually do our. Let me show you how I do my top down. So this would be my top down. So let me compare it real quick to y'all. So let me show y'all real quick. So this is how the weekly candle is printing. This is how the weekly candle was. This is GU. Let me show you. Where's EU? So this is how the weekly candle was printed on Euro. We came, now we're going back up. 18 to 20, 18 to 21. This is how price action was looking. I think I was wrong. Yeah, I was wrong. Monday we opened up, and then we dropped. So we were correct till Monday, and then eventually, yeah, we're basically incorrect there. For dollar index, I want to expect a retracement and rally, if not a deep retracement. But we have built up lower liquidity. Looks like we're very clear. The draw will be lower. Going to be going into the week with a bearish narrative for sure. So for dollar index 2, why is it like that? Hold on. So for dollar, The draw was lower last week, so pretty much Friday through Thursday when I was looking at the analysis, we did drop. Now we're going higher. I kind of wanted a deeper retracement before we rally up, but that is kind of what I was looking at for dollar. And then for euro, like GU, I mean, let's look at GU. I did say GU was going to be a little bit weaker. I was correct about that. So I said GU had a worse price action since euro GBP is now dropping. We can expect euro to be stronger. And you can see that. I think no, GU has been stronger since euro JPY is. What has it been doing? It's been ranging. So, but it has been going up. So that means euro is stronger right now. Let's go back to GU though. And then GU has had the worst price action since euro GBP is now dropping. We can expect euro to be stronger out of the two, which is why GU has been acting like this, building up a high resistance liquidity, and I recommend EU instead for more clean trades. But the draw is higher for this one, and it will be a struggle to get there with speed. And you can see we did coming into Tuesday. So Sunday we came in. Monday we went and rallied higher. Tuesday we created the high, and now we're dropping. I was correct about the first 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, and then it just dropped. It's because I didn't expect dollar to have such a little retracement. I expected more of a retracement than a rally. Or overall, you know, like a push higher and then a drop lower. And we didn't get that first 2 days. So yeah. What am I looking for now? I don't know, man. I just want to wait for PM session for right now instead of, because AM session looks like it's coming to an end. Why are these things here, man? Let me see if the other ones have it. I want to see if the other markets have it. What is this up here? Imbalance. Yeah, these highs in ZD USD. We're looking at this market too. I was looking at let's look at AUD JPY. AUD JPY's price action has been horrible, man, horrible. Let's mark out our external levels of liquidity. For these, I mark out just external levels because I want to see where price is gravitating to. I don't really use previous day highs on these. Or this was a yeah, that was. So we are inside of buy side imbalance. Damn, bro. Yeah, no. I don't think this would. Nah, let's just keep it though, because it is gravitating towards it. Comes back and it just uses it for more and more confirmation, I guess. But it would be in inverse at this point. Let's change it. Change to an inverse. Since we already closed below it, and now we're just been ranging inside of it. I would use it as an inverse because it is going both sides of the market, but it is a strong level that the market has been gravitating to, and so that's kind of why I'll put it as an inverse, not as a buy side imbalance anymore, because it already took out the sell side and buy side inside of it. So that's pretty much pointless having it as that. So we're just gonna use it as an inverse. The 1 hour. So actually, let's go to our higher time from like the daily. Let's see our dealing range. Let's go to PDRA. Alright. So we're gonna mark out the most previous high and then the most previous low, and that's our sauce. This buy side liquidity on the daily, and this is buy side on our sell side on the daily time frame. And we're gonna drop down and do a more deeper analysis. What's your favorite pair, bro? The one I've traded the most probably has to be Euro USD. I feel like Euro just has the most clean price action. Of course, GU sometimes I trade it, but majority of the time it's either EU and then SPX. I'm usually trading most of those majority of the time. I like doing analysis on other markets and like having correlation between them. So like dollar and gold, or you know, seeing an SMT like this on NQ and SPX, you can see NQ created a lower low, and then SPX created a lower high. So that means SPX is a bit stronger. Of course, this one is rallying more, so it's more stronger than that. But let's go back to our analysis. Here's my Discord. My Discord's popping up over here. Let me close it real quick. All right. Yeah, but price has been really ranging between these levels. You can see, you know, the chart isn't really as clean. It hasn't been as clean anymore. Anything above this, of course, we drop. Anything below this, we still drop. Let me clean this over here though. And this is our dealing range for the past couple of days actually. And you can see, you know, we have been just building up these lows and these highs. I'm sorry about that, guys. Let's see it. 2-hour imbalance that is currently being filled. We can see that perfectly. We drop down. This would be our intraday targets of liquidity. So this area, and then I would put this one because I feel like if this one gets ran through, I feel like this one's gonna most likely get ran through. If not, then we will be wrong. Of course, I'm clearly fine with being wrong. In the 15-minute time frame, we have had that market structure shift higher. You can see we did have a little retracement after the market structure, and now we have been just inside of this range. And that's pretty much it for AUD JPY. I feel like we have been back and forth movement, but every time we hit a premium, you can see we drop, and now we're in a discount, so we're rallying. And we do have this little imbalance here on the 1-hour time frame, so that could have been your confluence right here. That could have been your confluence for price to rally higher. Let's go to a higher time frame, I guess. Yeah. So, and it's the previous day low. Already got swept. Yeah, I ran through actually by a lot. Yeah, no, it's looks like it's ranging. These markets, I wouldn't really want to trade these type of markets. Of course, you can find good trades, and like you can scalp these type of markets, but like for long positions or like more position trading, like if you want to have a position trade, you see this imbalance, you know, the levels get ran through multiple times, and you have to be a lot more quick with taking out. And if you want to hold a position, it's not going to look too good, because look, if you hold a position down here, you say you buy at this order block right there, as soon as it came and retested it, and you have your stop loss down here, you know, you're gonna see a lot of drawdown multiple times, and it can give you you know, it can change your conviction as soon as you see it wick down all the way down here. I don't know if you're really gonna hold that, man, or say you're shorting. You see an imbalance up here, you tapped it, you had your stop loss above, you know, this high right here, that intermediate high. Even if you had it above this, you would have got stopped out, but if you had it right here, you would have seen a bunch of drawdown and then eventually rally down. So I feel like these are more of a scalping market right now because of the just how it's moving, you know. And that's pretty much it, man. Let's go for AUD USD. AUD is any AUD pair right now is pretty much the same. You can see how the price action is just back and forth movement. It's ranging. Let's go do our analysis though. Let's clean this up. This is back then. The weekly time frame, we did take out that liquidity. So whenever we do take out liquidity, I have it on the dotted line. Don't like it, you know, drawing a line. So for AUD USD, we did break that structure on the weekly. I mean on the daily. On the 2-hour. What am I saying? On the daily. What am I saying? We do have these up close candles right here on the daily time frame. This could be an order block, or your whatever you want to call it. That's pretty much an order block. I don't use the wicks because the volume is in the bodies. Yeah. Where? Alright guys, so I'll be back for PM session. I'm in the stream here, and if you want to catch me, you can text me on the Discord. If not, you can just wait till 1 o'clock PM. So yeah, New York time. I'll be back.